Hi, I'm Dr. Arsalan and today we are going to solve the MCQs on photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which green plants prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So this is a portion of bioenergetics. The first question is, which color has the least role in photosynthesis? The question is very simple, as we know that photosynthesis is a process based upon the sunlight or the colors of the sunlight, and the colors of the sunlight produce energy in the form of NADPH and ATPs. So the questionnaire is asking that which color has least amount of energy produced during the process of photosynthesis. The first option is blue, second option is violet, third option is red, and fourth option is green. As we know that the two spectrums which produce energy during the process of photosynthesis are 390 to 430 nanometer of the wavelength, which is blue or violet color. This light range produces energy during the process of light reaction of photosynthesis. And the second spectrum is 670 to 700 nanometer of red color light. So the blue, violet and red color produce enormous amount of energy during the process of light reaction. The remaining green color, this is the correct option. The green color, it is reflected from the green parts or the chlorophyll of the plant and is not absorbed by the plant. Therefore, this green color is playing least role in the process of photosynthesis. Rather, it is reflected from the plants and therefore we see the plants as green colored. Second question is, dash is not energy releasing process. Given options are photosynthesis, aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, and none of these. So we know that during the process of photosynthesis, energy is produced or stored. It is also referred to as anabolic process in which the energy is stored. So this is the correct option in which energy is not released, rather it is stored. Store the energy. While on the other hand, aerobic respiration, it releases energy from one glucose molecule, it releases 36 ATPs. You can refer to my lecture on the ATP synthesis during respiration, in which I have calculated 36 ATPs which are produced or yielded from one glucose molecule. So aerobic respiration releases 36 ATPs, while anaerobic respiration releases 2 ATPs from one glucose molecule. So both of these processes, aerobic as well as anaerobic, these release energy, while the photosynthesis, this process stores energy. So the correct option here is the photosynthesis. Next question is, net yield of water in photosynthesis is, number of molecules are given here. First option is 1 molecule of water, second is 6 molecules of water, third is 12 molecules of water, and the fourth is none of these. So if we see the equilibrium reaction of photosynthesis, in which carbon dioxide and water molecules are fused in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, carbon dioxide and hydrogen produce glucose, oxygen is released as byproduct, leaving behind some molecules of water. If we balance this reaction, so 6 carbon dioxide and 12 water molecules produce 6 oxygen, 6 water molecules. So the correct option here is 6. So the net yield of number of water molecules during the process of photosynthesis is 6. Or we can say that the number of water molecules utilized in the process of photosynthesis are 12. The produced are 6. So net yield is 6 molecules. 6. Next question is, in photosynthesis, correct order of energy transfer is, given options are carotenoid, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B. Second option is carotenoid, chlorophyll B, and chlorophyll A. Third option is both of these, and fourth is none of the order is. So before going to solve this question, we should know about the order as well as the photosynthetic pigments. We know that during the process of photosynthesis, there is a photosystem in which there is a reaction center and antenna complex. In the reaction center, there is chlorophyll A, while in antenna complex, there is chlorophyll B and carotenoids. Chlorophyll B and carotenoids absorb the sunlight and transfer to the chlorophyll A. The light is absorbed from the carotenoid to the chlorophyll B and then delivered to the chlorophyll A. So the correct option is carotenoid to chlorophyll B and then chlorophyll A. Option B is the correct one. Next question is, xanthophylls are dash pigments. The given options are blue, green, yellow, and red. We know that xanthophylls and carotenoids, these are the accessory pigments present in the plants. The xanthophylls are yellow colored, while carotenoid are orange to red. So the correct option is yellow colored. Xanthophylls are yellow colored. Xanthophyll is derived from a Greek word. Xantho means yellow and phyll means leaf. So these are the yellow colored pigments present in the leaf. Their abundance is in the leaves, and therefore the skin color as well as the egg yolk, it is revealing yellow color derived from the xanthophyll by consuming plants. Similarly, the plants also have yellow colored fruits and flowers which are due to presence of xanthophylls. So xanthophylls impart yellow color to the plants, fruits as well as the animals consuming this xanthophyll containing leaves. So the correct option for xanthophyll pigment is yellow colored. PS1 has chlorophyll molecule which absorb light of dash. He is asking about the light wavelength which is absorbed by the PS1. PS1 means photosystem 1. Photosystem means the cluster of photosynthetic pigments like chlorophylls and carotenoids. These clusters are called photosystems, and there are two types of photosystem in plant: photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. The given options are 600 nanometer, 660 nanometer, 680 nanometer and 700 nanometer. The photosystem 1 can absorb light of 700 nanometer, and therefore it is also called P700, while photosystem 2 absorbs light of 680 nanometer, and therefore it is called P680. The question here is photosystem 1. It absorbs light of 700 nanometers, so the option D is correct. Next question is the total percentage of light absorbed by the leaves is. He is asking about the total sunlight penetrating the leaves. The given options are 1%, 4%, 5% and 10%. We know that the solar light which is entering the earth is a fraction, and out of this fraction only 1% of the light penetrates the leaves, or the total sunlight which penetrates the leaves or green plants is only 1%. So the correct option here is 1%. Only 1% of the sunlight reaches the earth and penetrates the green plants. Next question is, in the absence of dash, plants wilt. Plants wilt means death of the plants. Given options are manganese, magnesium, iron and nutrients. We know that plants prepare their own food and do not need the external environment nutrients. So this option is excluded. Then the iron is micronutrient and it is not vital for the life of the plants. Manganese and magnesium, they both play important role, but here the magnesium, it is the constituent of chlorophyll, and we know that chlorophyll is the vital component of the green plants. Chlorophyll is the component or ingredient by which the green plants prepare their own food and live alive. So if the chlorophyll is not present or if the magnesium is not present, then the plants may not live and they cannot prepare their food, due to which they may die and the process of wilting will take place. So the correct option here is magnesium. Next question is, chlorophyll contains magnesium in dash. Given options are phycoerythrin, porphyrin ring, poly A tail, and phytol chain. As we have discussed in the previous MCQs, that the magnesium ion, it is present in the chlorophyll. It is the component of chlorophyll. Question here is that where the magnesium is located in the chlorophyll. We know that the chlorophyll has two parts, the head and tail. Magnesium is the central component of head of the chlorophyll. So where is the head of chlorophyll? So pertaining to these options, the phycoerythrin, this is red colored photosynthetic pigment present in the red algae. So it has no direct association with the green plants. It is present in the red algae of aquatic environment. So this is incorrect option. The second is porphyrin ring. This is the head of chlorophyll in which the magnesium is located. So the correct option here is porphyrin ring, where the chlorophyll contains magnesium. Other options are poly A tail. A refers to adenine and poly A tail is the long chain containing adenine molecules present in the messenger RNA. So this option is also incorrect. And the final option, phytol chain, this is long hydrocarbon chain as tail of the chlorophyll. So magnesium is not present in the tail of chlorophyll, it is present in the head of chlorophyll. So the correct option here is porphyrin ring, which contains magnesium as central element and constitute the chlorophyll molecule. The last question of our today's lecture is, majority of photosynthesis is associated with dash environment. The question here is that the maximum photosynthesis occur in which environment? The first one is ambient environment, means surrounding environment. So this is non-technical answer. Second is forest, it is the terrestrial environment. Aquatic, the plants living in the water like plants and algae, and the last is terrestrial or land plants. So the most of the photosynthesis occur in the aquatic plants. About 70% of the photosynthesis occur in the aquatic plants and algae. So the correct option here is aquatic environment. Aquatic environment plays a vital role in the process of photosynthesis, and most of the photosynthesis takes place in the aquatic environment, while 20 to 30% of the photosynthesis occur on the terrestrial environment or in the forests. The correct option here is aquatic. It was all about the general MCQs and questions pertaining to the photosynthesis process. Hope this video will help you a lot in preparing for medical colleges admission test. Thank you.